You ever feel like project management is just like one big juggling act with too many balls up in the air? Here's how you can catch them all without dropping a single one. It's called ContractorOS, and it's free today. Stick around to the end to find out how. Hi, I'm Keith. I'm founder of the Contractor's Compass YouTube channel, and I'm a seasoned contractor. After 36 years in the construction industry, I've seen how disorganized project management can get. It can derail even the best team. That's why I created ContractorOS. It's a streamlined project management tool made just for contractors like you. ContractorOS is designed with your everyday challenges in mind. I know what it's like to manage multiple projects, manage client expectations, keep track of every little task that pops up. This template was made to simplify all of that. It's here to help you stay organized, save time, and enhance your productivity so you can get back to doing what you do best, delivering quality projects to your clients. With ContractorOS, all of your essential project and client information is right at your fingertips. In this brief overview, you're going to see how to make your project management simpler and more efficient. All right, so the main dashboard is your command center. It's designed to give you a bird's eye view of everything that you need to manage efficiently. Right here, you'll find a clear overview of your projects, your tasks, your documents, and your contacts, all right here on the front page. It makes it easy to just quickly glance through and see what you have going on every day. Let's break down each section real quick. So at the top of the page, you have your projects. And there's two different views already set up for you as you come into this. There's an active gallery view, which has these bigger cards. And then there's also an active list. Kind of like this view better because it just doesn't clutter up the page. It makes it easier to find. And the next one in line right here is going to be your project manager. So that'll bring up the project management screen, which sticks you with just pretty much projects and tasks because that's what they really should be concentrating on. They'll occasionally need some documents, but they can find those over in the sidebar as well. Same thing for your tasks. You'd have a whole list of them here. If you've got 10, 12, 15 tasks going for 3 or 4 jobs or whatever, they'd all be listed here on this view. The next one down is going to be your documents. Okay, so once you get over to the document page, here you see you've got all documents listed here. You could sort this however you want. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to use this application. The menu is on the side over here, and that's how you get back and forth around to the different areas of it. You can set up your projects on a project timeline. You can look at different kinds of views. There's just a ton of different things that you could do in here to make your job easier, and that's what it's here to do. So we can do a timeline view, which gives you more like a Gantt chart type timeline. You could have this thing set up just like a Gantt chart, and it'll automatically roll right through the job. So with these navigation and filtering tools, you can find what you need easily and quickly inside this application, and it's all right there at your fingertips. Once you get in here and start digging around, you can figure out how to personalize it to your needs and what your projects are and what your company needs are. All right, and that's how you navigate and get through the main features of ContractorOS Lite. This is the Lite version. It's the free version. This will save you time and reduce stress. Don't forget to subscribe to the Contractor Compass YouTube channel right below. Give us a like. Throw a comment in if you have any questions. And if you're ready to streamline your own project management, check out the link down in the description to go pick up your free copy of ContractorOS. Thanks for watching.